Good, good evening to you guys, to all of you. We are at the end of a very exciting month, June of 2026. It's June 30th, and I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that RJ Sander for Living with Purpose is doing really well. We are currently at 59 friends. 59 of you decided to subscribe to the channel and follow what's going on. I appreciate you, and all I can say is buckle up and enjoy the ride. It's going to be wonderful. July is just a few hours away, and June will be behind us. But this month we have seen tremendous growth in all of the metrics. The views are way up and I'm talking about the lifetime views. My video, "Would you do this for $1 million?" is a short, and it actually has 24,060 views on it. Just that video alone. Wow. So all of you that have viewed that short and have rewatched it, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Now I know that I post a lot of shorts and I post a lot of live streams and things like that. I'm starting to post live streams and shorts and pre-recorded videos. But every time y'all watch content, it's giving me watch time. And the watch time has even seen an increase. And I appreciate that. I have 98 hours of watch time so far. 98 hours. Let's keep it going. We're doing good. We're doing good. The channel's doing wonderfully. And like I said, buckle up because things are about to get good. That's all I can say. Things are about ready to get good. And I'm happy. We're on an upward trajectory and we're not slowing down. We are not slowing down at all. I just received mobile live streaming, and I've tried to do a couple of live streams on my phone. I was hoping to go live together, but I wasn't able to do that today. Hopefully tomorrow. But at any rate, I'm just very happy as to how the channel's doing. And goodbye June, hello July. So if you want to see what the fuss is about and what this ride is I keep talking about, subscribe. Turn on that bell for all notifications. And you'll be able to see what RJ Sander for Living with Purpose is all about.